Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's July 27th, about 20 after 8 in the evening. Take a look at this cat box full of poo-poo. Trying to keep it clean, guys. But look at this. This is nature. People are buying this as clouds, guys. That's a funny one. Oh, that's good. And then we got Mount Everest down here coming at us. That's nice. Very natural. Look up into here. Yeah, popcorn everywhere. Look out. Let's get some butter bazookas and squirt it up. Shoot up in the air. This is so unnatural. I can't stand it. Look at this over here. Just look at this. I don't know what happened to people. I really don't. What happened to their minds to accept this as clouds? You'd think they would go outside and call the police on this, or call somebody. Police don't care. They're just sitting there playing with themselves. I never see them come around anymore. They don't check anything. They used to come around at least once or twice a week and just check out what's going on. But no more. People are lighting fireworks out here still, which don't look like fireworks or even sound like them. They're so loud, and they're all over the place, and I don't see them in the air. You know what I mean? So they're pretty loud bangers. So I just had to show this to you guys. Look at this. This is embarrassing. Anybody would think this is natural clouds. All right, I'm done. Yeah, that looks good. Real. Sure.